Connection has always been at the heart of who we are. From the first spark of understanding to the infinite web of the cosmos, we have sought to share, to reach, to be heard. Through every age, one thing has remained constant: the message. An eternal message that binds us across time and space. It began with gestures, primal sounds, and fleeting moments of comprehension. In a world untouched by tools, a figure moved, bridging silence with action. This was the first thread of connection, fragile yet undeniable. In the dim glow of firelight, walls became canvases. Caves held the stories of the past, etched in ochre and stone. Each mark, a message to the future. We were here. We mattered. These symbols endured even when the voices that made them were gone. As societies rose, communication grew more complex. Pictures turned to symbols, symbols to scripts. On clay tablets and stone, ideas took form. The messenger's steps carried these messages across deserts, rivers, and empires, ensuring the thread stayed unbroken. Civilizations found their voice. In Egypt, hieroglyphs bridged the mortal and the divine, carved into temples and scrolls that traveled the Nile. Across Greece and Rome, words became law, philosophy, and power. Couriers and scribes ensured these words traveled farther than their makers. Then, a revolution of ink and paper. The printing press turned ideas into floods. Words leapt from ink to page, reaching minds across nations. Knowledge, once scarce, became abundant. The message gained wings, its reach boundless. Electricity changed everything. Wires hummed with the first telegraphs, carrying thoughts at the speed of light. Dots and dashes became meaning, bridging distances that once seemed endless. The messenger adapted, ensuring even the most urgent words reached their final step. And then came the voice. Across wires, one person could speak to another as though they stood side by side. The telephone erased distance, making every conversation feel immediate, intimate. The eternal message grew stronger, clearer. The air became the messenger. Radio waves carried voices, music, and news to millions. Homes filled with the sounds of the world, binding families and nations in shared moments. The message was no longer private. It became universal.
Process running gamma rays from vegetables that kills off everything alive, every single microbe, and then they used X-ray pipes and nuclear nuclear reactors. What does that tell you? If I eat this broccoli, I'll open the door.
Next came the web. Through blinking lights and invisible threads, the digital age wove its network. Emails, chat rooms, and digital streams transformed communication into something instantaneous and global. The message traveled at the speed of thought, yet the need for its delivery never faded. When the world became portable, so did connection. Mobile devices placed the power of communication in every hand. Messages traveled through cities and forests, across oceans, in the hands of those ensuring they reached their destination. And then came the platforms. Social media turned communication into a global conversation. Billions of voices, billions of messages intertwined. In the noise, the eternal message found its champions. Those who ensured truth and meaning rose above the chaos. As reality expanded, so did connection. Artificial intelligence and virtual worlds turned communication into an immersive experience. Messages weren't just heard, they were felt, shared in spaces that blurred the line between the physical and the imagined. Then, words gave way to thoughts. Minds connected directly, sharing understanding without sound or language. The eternal message became pure, carried in its most profound form from one consciousness to another. Finally, humanity reached beyond itself. Across galaxies, quantum threads carried our voice into the void. The stars answered. The eternal message, bound by hope, bridged civilizations separated by light years. It became universal, infinite. Through every form, across every age, the message has endured. It is the heartbeat of humanity, the bond that connects us all. And as it continues to evolve, one truth remains. No matter the distance, no matter the barriers, the message is eternal.